Oh, I look like I could run for president with this hairstyle.
Okay, y'all, so in today's video, I'm gonna finally show you the wig that everybody has been asking me about from my TikTok comments. From the layers to the volume, it gives that soft, effortless 90s blowout look without doing too much. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on, straight out of the box, how it looks on, how I styled it, and why I personally think this is a great wig for a quick install. If you want a quick and easy look, keep watching because we're gonna jump straight into it. This unit is from Viva Say by Kiss. This is their gold unit number 27 in the color number 1. Straight out of the pack, you get these beautiful feathery layers. This is about 14 inches in length and it is a middle part. No need to attach an adjustable band, it already comes with that, and it does have 2 combs on each side. Here I'm brushing the wig to see how the layers flow and to also get a feel for how I want to style it later, which I really don't even have to. As y'all saw, you can just take this out of the pack, pop it on your head, brush it out, and you can get so many different styles from this unit. Really, it's just a matter of taking the wig out of the box and cutting the lace, and that's pretty much it. That's like literally nothing to it. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I installed it and how I cut the lace.
Y'all know I always take my hair out with my wigs, so I'm just going through and cutting most of the lace off because I always take my hair out on the sides with the wigs. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Going back to my old method, I tuck the lace in like that. I'm gonna go in and also figure out a method on how to lighten the knots or just make the knots disappear on this. Let me make sure I don't have any in my hair because last time I cut a wig, y'all, and just cut the lace. Don't cut your hair, Asia. You stay cutting your hair, girl. Ooh, and I don't want to cut a chunk of this either. There we go. There we go. Y'all can see why I typically do that, because I bring my hair out. And then of course you can also like dye the lace or tint the lace black so it blends in even better. I might turn this into a V-part wig. I really think I'm gonna turn this into a V-part wig. Just feel like my hair underneath, like my real hair, is gonna be a little bit too long for it. Oh, this is for your eyebrows. I didn't know this was for your eyebrows. I thought this was for edges, which is why I like to kind of wear it out. I'm just going in with my YSL All Hours Hyper Bronzer, and this is gonna be to just color the lace, like tint it. I want it to match my, oh my God. I know exactly what I need to do. Wait a minute, y'all. This is actually blending in. Of course, I got some little stick-ups that I'm gonna go through and snip off. For the sake of the video, this looks good to me. I want the bangs to fall at the tip of my nose. Yes, that looks even better. This is where I'm getting scissor happy. That looks even better. Yep, that is kind of what I'm going for. I would like it to be a little bit shorter. And remember, kids, get some better scissors. This looks good. There we go. And if you want, you can even put some bangs in the front. Yep. Okay, I kind of want to cut them a little bit shorter. Now we're gonna go for my favorite look. I take my hair in the wig, put it behind the ear, do the same thing on this side. It's giving presidential. Okay. Let me see, how do the bangs look? A human hair wig could never. I don't care about the lace. I know the lace is not lacing, but the whole purpose of this was just to show y'all an unboxing of this wig. I kind of want to leave the house tonight. I was gonna stay inside, but I don't know, this wig got me feeling like if I were a 90s supermodel, this would be my hairstyle. This looks very mature. It's giving 90s supermodel. If I was a supermodel in the 90s, this is the hairstyle I would get. In fact, when I first started TikTok, this was the hairstyle that I was wearing. So I feel like I'm going back to the old VHS shorty. I'm not like a regular influencer, I'm a cool influencer. I'm not gonna be doing any long hair wigs this summer. It's already hot. I'm focused on short hair wigs, especially wigs that match my hair color, because I tell y'all all the time, I struggle with finding wigs that match my natural hair color. This is literally a #1. Whenever I get a human hair wig, they say it's a natural black. And I'm like, don't piss me off, because as someone who has natural black hair, this is what a black wig looks like. Whoever is manufacturing these synthetic wigs, I need y'all to take over the human hair wigs, because human hair wigs, these wig vendors are not making wigs like this. I think the layers are even more layered than the Martina wig that I used to have. I know the lace up here looks crazy. I always cut like the top of the lace and then pull my hair out on the side just to get a more seamless blend. Of course, I'm not done with this wig. I do have a little bit more tweaking to do to it. I'm not gonna cut any more layers in this. I'm gonna curl the bangs a little bit more, but everything else, I can see myself wearing this wig until the wefts fall off. This is really pretty. I'm gonna get this like 3 more times. If anything, I might just ask the beauty supply store, give me all of them that you have in stock. I got this wig for 3 reasons. One, primarily because it is pre-layered. I didn't have to do anything. As y'all saw when I took it out of the box, I didn't have to do much to it except for like cut the lace down and glue it down. Another reason I got this wig is because I'm tired of human hair wigs not holding curls and also not matching my natural hair color. So this one matches my natural hair color. The wigs that the hair vendors are always sending me are a #2. It's like a dark brown, but they claim that they're naturally black. Even though I have naturally black hair, it's like, don't piss me off.
This is gonna be my signature look this summer. No bust downs, no braids. I even tried a half up, half down style, and even that was cute. I'm gonna go in, cut some shorter bangs a little bit later, but this is my favorite wig. This is honestly one of the best synthetic wigs I've ever got. I am gonna go in a little bit later and pluck and tweeze the hairline just to give it a more hyper realistic hairline. For me right now, it's a little bit too round and too blunt on my head. I'm also gonna go in with a knot concealer to help conceal the knots. They are pretty dark, and since this is synthetic hair, you cannot bleach this. With that being said, if you do want to curl it a little bit more, I recommend going in with the lowest heat setting on your flat iron and bumping the ends. I do not recommend using a high heat setting. This is synthetic fiber. This is not human hair. This is not a human hair blend. I don't care what anybody says. If they ever say anything is a human hair blend, it's synthetic hair. Even brushing the hair in one uniform bob looks good. You don't even have to have the layers fluffed out. Child, I love me a wig that's thick and full with defined layers. If you can see yourself in this unit, check out the link in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, favorite. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.